How to set up a flight school account on RPAS Wilco. Scroll down to the Flight Review tab and click Offering to get started. Make sure your flight school is selected. If not, select it now. Now add your addresses for flight reviews. You can add addresses, coordinates, or MAC clubs. Click Save when finished. You can add as many addresses as there are pilots in your account. That way, if needed, each pilot can have their own review location displayed on the map for clients to book. Under Flight Review Offering, check the box next to the services you want to offer. Set your price for the service. Your price is up to you, as long as it's within the allowed range. Right now, you can provide Advanced Flight Review Prep, Advanced Flight Review, Level 1 Complex Flight Review Prep, Level 1 Complex Flight Review. But to offer Level 1 complex services, you must provide us with your certificate first. Review the terms and agreements before proceeding. Be sure to read the full document. Here are some key details. You can reschedule or cancel 3 hours before a session. Clients can reschedule 48 hours before a session, but cannot cancel a session. You can charge any price for your services. RPAS Wilco charges a 30% service fee, applied before GST. Reviewers will receive their payment for sessions once the result, pass or fail, is submitted to Transport Canada. After reviewing the terms and conditions, check the box and click Update Offerings to save your changes. To edit the services you offer in the future, click Edit Offerings. Now, let's go over how to manage your bookings and assign flight reviewers to clients. Click Booking List to view your booked clients. Scroll to the right to view details such as the client's name, email, phone number, status, and payment. Here you can assign them to one of your flight reviewers. Click Assign and choose a reviewer to assign to the booking. Click Save when you're finished. Click the Edit icon to update the booking date and time. Click Save when you're done. When the service is completed, update its status. Check the box and click Submit.